Hello guys, and in this video I'll show you how to adjust screen timeout on your Garmin Enduro 2 watch. So let's get started. So for the first step we need to press and hold this button in the center of the watch. So we would go in the main menu. And now we need to scroll to see this settings icon. So let's click it. And now scroll a little bit more to go in the System tab. Great. And now choose Backlight from the list of other options and go in General Use. And right here, by scrolling down, you will find this timeout section, and here are presented 6 options from which you can choose. For example, let's choose 15 seconds. And it means that your watch will turn off after 15 seconds when you use them. And also remember that you can manage it not only for regular use but also for trainings and for sleep. So let's go back in the menu, click on During Activity, then scroll up and choose Timeout. And right here you can do the same, and you can even choose No Timeout, just like this. And also let's enable it for the function during sleep. So just follow the same steps as before, choose timeout and choose add time. For example, 1 minute. And that's all. I hope this video was useful for you, and thank you so much for watching.